going to do two inequality problems that weren't worked out on your other video. So, first of all, we're going to isolate this absolute value. Subtract your 2 from both sides. So we have the absolute value of 3x minus 8 is greater than 7. So this is the distance from 0 is more than 7 spaces. So this is going to be the end pieces. All right, so here's your 0, -7, +7. And this is just to help you think about it. Right? So it's going to be more than that many spaces. So it's going to be out here or it's going to be in here. So you're going to break this into two separate inequalities. So 3x minus 8 is going to be greater than 7, or 3x minus 8 is going to be less than -7. And then you solve. So that's the key, is getting set up. On the first one, we will add the 8. So we have 3x is greater than 15. Divide by 3, that's a positive coefficient. So nothing is going to flip. So you have x is greater than 5. Or here on the other one, add your 8. So we have 3x is less than 1. Divide by 3. So x is less than 1/3. So we do our number line graph. Always go in order on your number line. So we need 1/3 first. It's smaller. And then 5. Right? And then we're going to graph for x. So x is less than 1/3. So that's over here. And x is greater than 5. For our endpoints, we did not have an equals underneath. So it will be a parentheses in the direction of your shading. When you go to My Open Math software, it will be an open circle. For interval notation, you're coming from -infinity to 1/3. And you're going to do a union with the other piece, 5 to infinity. This time, our inequality symbol is less than or equal to. So this is less than 2 spaces from 0. So it's going to be in the middle section. If you're just thinking about how to set it up, 0 and 2 and -2, it's less than 2 spaces away. So it's in here or it's in here. That's -2, sorry. Right, so it's going to be your middle section of your graph, and that means you can set it up as a compound inequality. So this is between -2 and +2. And then you just solve your your compound inequality. And so you should clear your fraction. Multiply across by 3. So we have 3, 3, 3. This will give us -6. This one will cancel our denominator and give us 2x plus 6. This will give us 6. And then you're going to isolate your x in the middle. So you're going to go in there and you're going to subtract 6 all the way across. Watch your signs. This will be -12. And then you're going to divide by 2. That is a +2, so nothing is going to flip. Make sure you do all 3 places. So to finish solving, it is -6 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 0. We'll do a number line graph. Show the -6, show the 0. X is in between those. And I had an equals underneath on both inequality symbols, so that will be a bracket opening in the direction of your shading. Interval notation will be -620. On your My Open Math software, you will use a closed circle for the brackets.